Good morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg white. The ingredients are 1 condensed milk, 1 evaporated milk, 3 egg yolks, 3 whole eggs, and vanilla. We will mix them all together. First, egg yolks. Whole eggs. Evaporated milk, and condensed milk, and vanilla. May I have vanilla, please? Now I will mix them together. Oops, be careful. This is egg whites. Use mixer to make a bubble. Mix them together. Mix all again. Mix them all until the ingredients are combined. This is a dough. This is the dough I will decide it with. I will ask Mom to put the mixture in the pie pan. Put this in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. The egg pie is now in the oven. After 1 hour, the egg pie is ready. Let it cool. The egg pie is now ready to eat. Perfect. Thank you for watching.